Hey, welcome back to another episode of John's Cryptotherapy. Today we're going to look at the Omi charts. We're going to go through every single thing and every single possibilities. I looked through the charts with you guys last time. I drew out this exact pattern, exactly what price is going to do, and it's really funny to see how price does carry itself. So today is going to be a big lesson. So if you guys do like these type of videos and you want to use this for your education, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I just want to say thank you all for tuning in, being a part of this channel, and of course, learning with me. This is a journey, and I want to make sure every single one of you guys can capture a lot of Omi tokens. Make sure to bag these Omis in, because trust me, this token is going to make a lot of people wealthy, financially free, and of course change lives at the same time. This project is like none other, and this is the reasons why I'm so loyal to this token. I love trading this. I'm on my road to make even more Omi tokens, and I want to make sure you guys get a piece of that bag as well. So let's get right into it. So first off, what we're seeing right here, guys, I broke this down from the daily chart. Always, whenever you're doing a top-down analysis, make sure you go from the higher time frame and work your way down. Do not get stuck in the lower time frame. It is not the right way to go. We want to go high end, then work our way down. We want to get that sniper shot. And in order to do that, we need to be able to look at the bigger picture. So once we look at the structure, we are understanding what price wants to do. We even talked about this, guys. We have a symmetrical triangle on the daily. We even made that into the lower time frame to get that trade idea that we're looking for. If this symmetrical triangle does break, we're looking for these levels of 0.00136. This is what I'm looking for. If prices get to this level, this can be a key level of sells. Reasons why: we have a fair value gap, and of course an order block around these levels, and of course this descending trend line. So these are all key informations. Of course, if prices breaks above, I'm going to make a video and tell you guys exactly what price is going to do if I'm looking to buy or whatnot. But we always need a breakout retest in order for any kind of buying opportunities at this very moment. So for this simple idea, we're looking bearish and we worked this symmetrical triangle. So I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing. Even though we're bearish on the higher time frame, on the lower time frame, we can actually take structural trades to the upside. Reasons why: it is forming the same idea. In order for us to sell, we need to come to a key level to find that reaction in the market. If we don't get that reaction, there's no point of selling in random positions. We want a reaction. We want to see price really show us the decision, what it wants to do, and how it wants to enter these type of trades. So let's go into the 4 hour and let's talk about this. Once we're on the 4 hour, I'm going to enlarge in this chart right here. So take a look at this understanding, guys. I've really explained this as much as I can, and I want to make sure you guys really understand this. As much as it might be really confusing, please understand what the markets are trying to do, and I'm going to try to explain this the best possible way I can. So first, I'm going to take away that arrow. So take a look at this. This is exactly where I enter the market right here. I said to myself, this is a high probability. Reasons why: when you look left of structures, we got support, we got resistance, support, even a minor support. And then we came here and I use this as confluence. In order for this to be a key level of support and resistance, we must, no matter what, need 3 touches to confirm that zone. So once we get that 3 touches, we said to ourselves, this is such a great idea. And this is where you get your multi-time frame analysis. Go to a lower time frame, look for your breaker structure, look for your change of characters, get into that trade, look for your order blocks, fair value gaps, and get into that price action. Once we got into this trade, price did go up for a short period of time, which I was really excited with. And when we look at this, exactly where price went from here all the way towards the top, prices went around 5%. I typically got out around 3.5 to 4%. Reasons why: I wanted to sell, make sure I get my value, and then pick up some more Omi token on the way. What did price do? It gave me a better understanding, guys. This is why I love the charts. The candles are telling us a story. Broke this with a wick, and this is showing us, did it close below the body? Absolutely not. This is the body of this red candle that pushed price all the way towards the downside. What did price do? It took out the buyers, then pushed up. And this is the exact candle position and entries that I am teaching to my students at the very moment. These are high probabilities. Reasons why: when the price is going up, we want to make sure we can take out that price, then push towards the upside. And exactly what did I say to you guys? I even mentioned it from here. I wanted a big wick down and then push price out. Why? Because I wanted to take away a lot of these liquidity. So when price came here, I needed it to do something, take out some kind of liquidity. Even though it took out this, I wanted it to do a little bit more. Once I seen that confirmation, I even told you guys what I'm expecting price to do in that sense. I even mentioned in my video, and the name of the video was Bullish Move, guys. It had bullish all over. Even though the concept is I'm showing you a sell and a bias to the buy side, I'm still giving the understanding. If you watch the whole video, you would know it's more to the bull side. It's the bullish mindset, the bullish idea. What did price exactly do? Price came back in, exactly fulfilled in an order block and pushed all the way up. I even give you a deadline on where price can go. Take a look at this, guys. This is exactly what I drew out. This box was my key level of reversal. When I seen this, and I even mentioned this, I said to you guys all, make sure you understand what price is going to do. And what did it do exactly here? Tapped into that level and dramatically dropped back down. This is the idea that I love to trade. And what am I looking to do? The same thing, rinse and repeat. We came back to that key level. We're looking for a bullish run. Of course, I use different techniques in my trading, and I want to give you a sneak peek and a lesson really to understand what pivot points are. So I'm going to take away this drawing right here. And when you look at this, exactly as you guys can see, price went up, came back down, exactly how we're projecting price. We want to see a break towards the upside. We're not going to enter right away. We want to see a retest and a confirmational break, and that's going to be our stronghold move towards the upside. So what I used to get into this is a lot of order blocks, fair value gaps, understanding structures, but mostly when I look at this structure, what am I doing? I drew out the main zones that price is trying to rebound with. And where did price come from? The intersections on the bottom, pushed all the way up, came back in the middle, drawing a lot of liquidity, drawing a lot of traders into the trade. But I understand we're looking for the lows, came to a key level, understood structure, took that buy towards the upside, sold right away, and took another buying position. We're expecting price to continue towards the upside. Of course, we need to see a break. And when it does break towards the downside with the body, those are going to be confirmations that I'm going to start to draw different patterns or different ideas. This is the best way to trade. And this move alone already pushed all the way to 7%, guys. 7% in your Ecomi account. Imagine what you could do if you listen to the videos and understand the concept. And from last year, most of my students that have followed me, and of course my subscribers, if you guys followed me, you would have doubled your account or even tripled your account. That's how easy it is when you know how to trade this concept, okay? And what I'm going to try to do here is explain the pivot points to show you why these indicators are really important. So take a look at this, guys. We're seeing exactly what price is doing at the very moment. We have the natural pivot point right here, and price is failing. So keep that in mind. Price is technically failing to break above this. If prices break above with the body close, I am going to be looking for strong buys towards the upside. So take a look exactly what I'm trying to say. If prices break towards the upside and we have that confirmational close and we see a strong validation, I will look for a buying opportunity. I'm going to go to a lower time frame, and once I get into a lower time frame, I'm going to use my entry method, break a structure, change of character, and enter that trade. And what we're going to do is not target the all-time high. This is what a lot of traders get mixed up. You want to be smart. Target the next resistance points that is showing us where price can reverse, and that's going to be this little zone right here. So around 0.00092 is going to be that key level. So of course I'm going to target that level, see exactly what price does, and if it breaks this zone and continues going up, I'm going to be banking in a lot of my Ecomi tokens. If it comes back down, I'm going to be looking to sell and then reaccumulating a lot of my Ecomi tokens. Very simple concept, and a lot of people are putting more value on the NFT and the collectibles, which is totally fine, but I promise you the one thing, those NFTs, if you cannot sell it, it's going to be on the shelf where no one is going to buy it, or you got to reduce the price or do something. When I want to sell my Ecomi token, I can sell it right now, get a good price, and guess what? I can collect that in cash if I really want to as well. So this is the beauty. So we want to see a break of this pivot point, go into a lower time frame, look for your entries. If you don't get your entries, you do not want to take this trade. But if you do, we're seeing that price is slowly going up. So when you're looking for order block, you want to find your lowest wick. A lot of people go for the red candles. You can even look at this green wick on the bottom. I like to take 50% of it, use your Fibonacci retracements, wait for price to go down, enter your trade. Now we're in that concept. Our price can go higher. We need to break above the pivot, believe in the structure, go to a lower time frame, and execute that trade. Let this play out, see exactly how price action really works. And once again, guys, if you love these type of videos, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. When Ecomi is ready to explode, I want to make sure everybody in this community wins, and we're going to do it together. Love you all. Take it easy, and John out. Peace.